Hi, I'm Justin.
And I'm Matt.
And we're excited to talk to you about the top features and benefits of the new Grand Design Transcend Xplor.
This is awesome. Let's jump right into the front here. The front nose of the Transcend is actually rated for an R40 insulation along with a roof. So both the roof and the front nose is an R40 insulation. There's no other travel trailer on earth that is insulated quite like a Grand Design travel trailer.
So that means your unit's gonna stay warmer in the winter and then cooler in the summertime.
And 10 times quieter.
Wow. Another amazing feature of the Grand Design Transcend is that every corner is what they have called a quad sill. So that means some of the competition, they might use 2 sills, they might use 3 sills. No one else in this segment is using quad seal or 4 sills. They're doing that by having Mylar tape and then also closed cell foam, so that this unit is tighter than anything else in the industry on the corners, which means it's built better than all the other competition out there.
Another great feature is the undercarriage on the Grand Design Transcend. Every unit has a golden thread of consistency on a Grand Design product. That starts with the insulation on the front that we just spoke about, but also every unit has a heated and enclosed undercarriage for extended use. And on top of that, they actually PDI every single unit with a 300-point inspection. There's no other brand in the industry that inspects a unit with 300 points.
Wow, so what they're delivering to the customer is a better product right out of the gate.
Exactly, so the factory actually builds it correctly the first time, and then when it gets delivered to the dealer, they actually don't have to rebuild the unit all over again.
Another great feature is this sidewall. This metal is 25% thicker than anything else being used in this segment. What that means is that it can hold up to the weather, the elements, better than all the other competition out there.
Every Transcend also comes with a 165 watt solar panel with a 25 amp charger. That's unbelievable. Most brands are going to charge big money for that. That's included in every single Transcend.
So whether you want to go off the grid, you have that, supply of energy coming down into your battery to help it stay charged.
That's awesome. Every Transcend purchase comes with our exclusive RV Complete package, which is a customer loyalty program that we give every single customer. It actually comes with 24/7 tech support, windshield repair, dent repair, and lockout assistance. We're standing in the kitchen here. The one thing I want to point out is I'm noticing a lot of light coming in here. The neat thing with this Transcend, you actually have a massive skylight. It brings in a lot of natural light, and then it's a nice accent to all your LED lighting in here.
One thing you'll notice when you walk into the Grand Design Transcend floor plans is that all the floor plans are unique and they're very innovative. They're using the space as best as they can. We're in the Transcend 265 model right now, and the kitchen has unmatched countertop for a bunkhouse. But you're also going to notice that the bunkhouse floor plan is very unique. You've got the bunks back here in the very back next to all the seating, so everybody can watch TV at one time. So all their floor plans are, just a great lineup, very innovative and well thought out.
The great feature I want to talk about on the Grand Design Transcend is the flooring. This is amazing. It actually has a 30-year warranty on the floor on all Grand Design Transcends. No other manufacturer that I know of comes close to that warranty coverage like a Grand Design Transcend. 30 years, that's absolutely amazing.
Grand Design has done such a great job in the Transcend Xplor and these floor plans. You can tell by the width of this opening as you're coming into the bathroom that it's so nice and open. It's a massive, massive bathroom with plenty of space to get ready, plenty of space to sit on the toilet if you need to. And speaking of toilet, it's a porcelain bowl toilet. A lot of other brands give you the cheap plastic one. You don't have a plastic toilet at your home. You want nice, you want quality, you want porcelain. And then the other great thing is the shower. The shower is ridiculously huge, and then it's also got a great sturdy base underneath you. There's a plywood support to give you the extra strength that you need while you're standing in here. And then also, I'm only about 5'10", but if I was 6'2", 6'3", I've got this great skylight to open up some headroom for me. So no matter how tall I am, I'm gonna be comfortable in the Transcend shower.
Thanks for joining us, exploring the all-new Grand Design Transcend and all its amazing features.
Don't forget that every Grand Design Transcend Xplor purchased at RV retailer.
Thank you very much and have a great day.